Hi, in this video we will see how WebHarvey can be used to scrape data from BestBuy website. So let's first start by loading the page from which we need to scrape data. So I have navigated to the products listings page at BestBuy. And these are the products from which I would like to scrape data. And if I scroll down, you can see that you have to click a show more button to load more products in the same page. So let's start the configuration process. For that, click the start button, and to configure pagination, click on the show more button, and then use the set as show load more data link and the more options. And then we can start selecting the data which we need. So it would be a good idea to skip over the sponsored listings. So click on the name of the first product, which is not an advertised listing, and we can get the name, the price, and let's follow the product link to load its details page. And from here we can select more data like the model, the product code. You can also capture the image URL. You can also automatically capture multiple product images if you wish. And also the overview. Let's also get the rating. Okay, now let's select one piece of information which is not displayed on this page, but it's present on the HTML behind the page. So to get the product UPC code, it's behind the code behind the page. So click anywhere on the page and double click on the capture HTML button. So WebHarvey will just double click till it shows the HTML code starting with the HTML tag, and you can then click on apply RegEx and then paste this RegEx code, which you can find in this video description, and apply. So this would be the UPC. All right, so assuming we have selected all the required data, we can stop the configuration. You can optionally save the configuration so that it can be run later, and then start mining data. So if you have configured images to be scraped, WebHarvey will ask you to select a folder where downloaded images are to be saved. If you do not select the folder, WebHarvey will scrape the image URLs instead. So let's wait for the product page to be loaded and the results to be pulled in. So we hope you find this video useful. In case you have any questions, please contact us at support@webharvey.com. Thank you.